what is in the 200 position of the given series. And if you look at these series very carefully, you will see 4 is present in the first term one time, 4 is present in the second term 2 times, and similarly in the third term 3 times, and the fourth term 4 times, and then additionally you have 1 2 3 1 2 3, that is extra 3 terms. All right, so if we want to calculate the number of terms till any given term, we can use the formula as n into n plus 1 upon 2. But we need to modify this formula a bit and write or add 3n to this. You can always check this formula. Suppose you put, let's say if you want to calculate the number of terms in the first term or till the first term. So you write n value as 1, put here 1, you will get this as 3 plus 1 into 2 by 2, you get 3 plus 1, which is 4. And if you look closely, you have 4 terms. So that is how you can always relate. Now, we need to go closer to 200 position first. And one way of doing it is by getting to trial and error method. So let me put n as 15 and see how many terms are contained. If we look at 15 terms of the given series, how many terms are actually we are looking out for, or what will be in different positions. So putting it in the formula of 3n into n plus 1 might be 2, this is 3 into 15 plus 15 into 16 by 2. This is 15 into 3, 45 plus 15 into 8, 15 into 4 is 60, this is 120, it is 165. We are very not much closer to 200, so we can try with n being 16. Let's see, what do we have? 3 into 16 plus 16 into 17 by 2. What do we have? 16 3s are 48, then 17 into 8. 17 into 8 is simply 170 minus 34, we get 136. What do we have here? 4, 8, 1, 184. Now, what do we understand by this 184? That means if we look at 16th term till 16th term, where the first 3 digits would be 1, 2, 3, and then the remaining digits would be 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 16 times 4, we are covering 184. Now, what would be the 185th, 186th and 187th term? That would be simply 1, 2, 3. Now, from 188th term onwards, it would be only 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. And you can see clearly, since we are looking at the 17th term, so it will have 17 times 4, right? And 17 times 4 naturally will take up the 200 position being 4. Suppose this question was, what will be at the 185th position? The answer would have been 1. 186th position, the answer would have been 2. 187th position, the answer would have been 3. 184th position, the answer would have been 4. 200th position, the answer is again 4. I hope you are able to follow this. I've taken some time to explain you the concept here and how to tackle this, but this basic formula must be kept into consideration. This is the formula to calculate the sum of first n natural numbers, and that is given by the formula n into n plus 1 upon 2. Very important formula to tackle questions on these type of series. Very frequently you are asked a question like this, so pay attention to the solution and try to develop the approach to solve these type of questions if it occurs in one of your examination. I hope this helps. Take care.